Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 is up to date and a working microphone is set as the default. Open Settings, then Privacy, then Speech. Enable online speech recognition so Windows can process voice. Next, press Windows key plus H to invoke the voice typing toolbar. Do this now to test the mic. Once the toolbar appears, click the microphone icon and say a short phrase. This first step verifies audio permissions and that the voice typing service is active. Once done with the initial test, open the app where you want text, Word, Notepad, or an email compose window and place the cursor. Press Windows key plus H to open voice typing, then speak clearly. Windows types words and accepts commands like comma and period. Make sure to enunciate punctuation and say commands for new lines or capitalization. If you need specialized vocabulary, spell tricky words. Make sure to pause briefly before dictating complex strings so recognition catches up. To finish, click the microphone or press Windows key plus H again to stop recording, then proofread and edit the text. Voice typing is fast, but not perfect. If recognition drifts, change the preferred language under Settings, Time and Language, or install language packs to improve accuracy. If you see no input, verify microphone privacy in Settings, test the mic in Sound Settings, and update audio drivers. If problems persist, restart Windows and retry. This resolves most transient service or drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.